This is our steel wire balls, famous in the kitchen. It's a must-have in everybody's kitchen. They are solid, durable, will not rust. They are ideal for inside your sink, on top of your benches, just to lift, scrubbing pots, frying pans. Absolutely amazing. They're a must in everyone's kitchen. To purchase any of our products, simply add them to your cart and head over to checkout. Enter your details and shipping address, select your preferred shipping method, choose your payment option and click place order. And here's the best part, if you place your order before 2 p.m, you'll receive it the very next working day. Please note, delivery is unavailable on weekends.